How to enable location services in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable location services in Windows 11. Whether you are concerned about privacy or simply want to conserve battery life, knowing how to toggle this feature on is essential. So let's start the video. To enable location services in Windows 11, on your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security tab, in the left side panel. Now scroll down, and under App Permissions click on Location. A new window will appear. Here you will see a toggle switch labeled Location Services. Simply toggle this switch to enable. This is how you can simply enable location services in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.